Assalamu Alaikum and welcome to Programming Concepts. I am Syed Naveed Abbas, and if you're passionate about coding, AI, cybersecurity, IoT, or full stack development, you're in the right place. On this channel, I create in-depth tutorials regarding .NET Framework using web technologies or desktop technologies, Python for AI and machine learning, and also for computer vision. If you are interested in cybersecurity, I cover some of the tutorials also. And if you want to learn IoT, I have created some projects regarding IoT, programming Arduino, ESP32, or Node MCU. You'll find hands-on project, real-world implementations, and detailed coding walkthroughs, all designed to help you become a better developer. Plus, I provide free source code for many of the projects. So if you're looking to sharpen your programming skills and explore cutting-edge technology, hit the subscribe button, turn on notifications, and let's build something amazing together.